Hey guys, this is Caleb from FSEB Max. Come to you with a bike check today. This is a 2011 Verde Prism frame, 20.5 inch top tube. Starting off the front, Demolition Concord version 3 forks, call it the Heart slick tire. Been with it a couple weeks now, it's pretty good. Verde Regent front and rear wheels. Best stem I've ever ridden with, S&M little redneck stem. United Supreme bars, 9 rise, 30 wide. Colt Vanes grips. Verde Pendleton seat. The stones are like supposed, can't really see it. Verde 8 spline cranks. I've been wanting to get some premium 1948 or some Demolition Revolt cranks. I'll get those next couple months. Stolen Thermalite pedals with metal pins. KMC half link with a full link match link. Didn't have any other options, so I had to put that on there. Sunday Sabretooth 25 tooth sprocket. Obviously Chase Hawk 2.20 tire, and let me show you the hub soon if I can get this set up. Nothing like a profile or anything, but it's pretty loud. It's degreased. Obviously, linear slip cable, Shadow Conspiracy headset, and Mankind bottom bracket. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Like and subscribe to this channel. If you want me to review any of the parts, leave comments in the comment section bottom of the screen. Yeah, I'll try to review as many parts as I can of what you guys want to be reviewed. Yeah, just like and subscribe to this video. Hopefully post and edit here in a month or so. Probably longer. It's like 20 below zero out there, Indiana, bipolar weather. Hasn't been above like 40 in like 2 months. So yeah, probably be riding, I don't know, a month or two. So we'll be putting out an edit whenever we get that finished. Okay. See you guys later. Signing off.